This is why 80% of dropshippers fail. Number one, they don't know how to pick the right products to sell online. Instead of picking products that solve a problem, they're picking products that are trendy, that they could sell right now. Number two, they don't have the right suppliers to get the customer the item fast. So customers are waiting 60 to 90 days, which is causing chargebacks and PayPal holds. Number three, they don't know how to read KPIs, like key performance indicators. These are super important when you're running ads, like knowing how to read your cost per purchase and your return on ad spend. Number four is watching outdated videos on YouTube, spending your time going through YouTube videos just so you can go through trial and error. Get a mentor that's able to guide you step by step through the process so you don't have to waste a lot of time and money trying to figure it out on your own. That's how I ended up losing a lot of money back in 2018 when I tried to do things on my own. I lost $15,000 and then realized that I needed to take action and get a mentor to be able to really flourish and understand this business and learn the skills and strategies so I could implement them and have a sustainable business running on autopilot. So if you want to avoid these mistakes and not be like 80% of people that are trying this business, go ahead and comment Ecom below and I'll send you a DM to see if I can help you.